Gohar, you always look stunning, and I am one of your subscribers, loving your latest show. So, besides that, we're really happy that Zaid, Gohar, and Puneet, of course, we all are waiting. It's a very special moment. Ladies and gentlemen, जोरदार तालियां तो बनती है. I mean, what an amazing. पूरी stage की charm और रौनक बढ़ चुकी है. So, Gohar, first of all, my first question to you is. We definitely seen you in reality shows, TV, and of course now YouTube, and it's going to be on OTT. So please tell us how challenging it is about stepping into 4G2, and how's your overall experience?
Well, first of all, thank you so much for having us here and giving us this opportunity to screen our most amazing video that we've worked on. For it to be screened here at this prestigious moment. Thank you, Ashley. Thank you, everyone, the organizers, for having us here. Yes, my association with a big hi to everybody. Hi, I know everybody said hello from there. So 4G2 has completed 100 episodes now on air. It's on DD National. It's a show that obviously is legendary, that comes from, we're taking it down.
And how was your experience inside? If you can talk about students.
Layer is something that is very important in terms of design for me as a designer. With materials, layering with colors, layering with fabrics. Everything's about layering. So that's why I just asked them what this meant, and the concept of layering is what the students have done in regards with layouts and their designs. I think very impressive, especially when I see the first year and second year students, and when I compare it to our time that we've done 20 years ago. It just feels surreal. It just feels so good and inspiring, if I can say the least. Like, I want to go back and tell my team that the kids are doing such great work. So it's very inspiring for us also, because sometimes we forget the essence of just simple basic design and so much theme when we start working, that seeing this just brings a refreshing take on design. So yeah, I had a great time, and the students are very smart nowadays. They have some very good questions, and we're very happy answering them. Very mature in their thought process.
And also the event was very well organized. Honestly, we remember how we used to do our events like years ago, and now how things are. So very well organized. Students have done some fabulous work, and it's amazing. As he said, like the questions were quite good. They also made us scratch our heads. So it was nice to answer them and to meet everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you to NIF Global and all the faculty members, Tanu especially, for having the patience, like Sanya said. And I think I've done these before with them, and I would never bat an eyelid to do one again. So thank you so much.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
So fest है उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए.
It's honestly going to be a beautiful fest, and we've worked very hard to make sure that the show is amazing. And
And the outfits that we are wearing, they are also amazing. They speak out a lot of elegance and at the same time a lot of fashion. So that is something that I have experienced for the first time, at least in the current generation. So we are excited about it.
and the students that have made it are amazingly talented.
Yeah. And the show is going to be amazing, which is directed by one and only Shakir sir. And all the students have put their heart and soul into their outfits, which will, just sparkle on the stage. Yes, we're just excited to go on the stage and the ramp.
I'd just say it's awesome and very exciting.
The outfits designed by students are amazing. I love each one of them, and I can't wait to be on the stage in those outfits. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Ashley Rebello, designer and stylist to the stars. I'm here for Layer M, which is the design event, where I'm judging the event, and may the best one win. I'm really looking forward to a great evening here.
Sir, any
Thank you.
message you would like to convey to the students and the contestants?
Well, I would just say work hard and you'll really reach somewhere in life one day.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. First of all, tell us about this session and क्या कहना चाहेंगे जो स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पर है, और कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है कि उनको इस चीज़ों के बारे में और एक्सपीरियंस कराया जाए
Can you talk in English?
इंग्लिश would be fine.
English.
I just had a really good time because I got to meet new young minds of this college NIF, and it just reminded me of the time when I was in college and I was really confused and struggling to figure out, how things are done, what this industry is, and how to go about it. मुझे याद है कि मैं अपने different faculties के पीछे भागती थी और बोलती थी कि मुझे बताओ कि ये कैसे करना है, वो कैसे करना है, and I used to try and go to the library and read up about it or meet seniors, and I just feel like I have the opportunity here right now to be able to contribute to these young minds and just maybe talk to them and just share my journey and my experience, and maybe hopefully they learn something out of it and they benefit from it, I hope. And yeah, I had a great time.
Any message you would like to give to students?
Yes, I gave lots of messages to the students in my entire talk, but one biggest message is to follow your passion, express yourself in the most authentic way that you can, and just don't forget to have fun. This field is all about exploring your inner child, and let it just flow and have fun while doing it. And when you know that you're having fun and work is not feeling like work, that's when you know that you are meant for this work.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Session.
This was very good to see all the students having so much fun, and they have such great show today. And they had such amazing questions to ask us, and really felt good being from the industry. And we all work on the back of the camera, and we're on the front of the camera here. It was fun. Thank you.
And what about earlier?
Yeah, this is my friend. She has organized this entire thing, and it's pretty cool. Her name is Tanu. She's been I think she's the CEO of the company. So yeah, she's invited me to be the part of this. But it's very well organized. It's pretty fun.
And any message you would like to give to students?
Just don't let the passion die and do the best of the things what you can put together. And the world is huge. A lot of opportunities. All the best.
Thank you. Thank you. क्या कहना चाहेंगे इसके बारे में कुछ बताइए हमें, और लेयर के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे कि स्टूडेंट्स को कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है कि ये सब एक्सपीरियंस दिए जाए?
बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है एक्चुअली. आई विश हमारे टाइम पे स्पीकर्स इतना ओपनली आके अपनी स्टोरीज बताने को राज़ी होते हैं. मैं तो हमेशा यही मानता हूँ कि मैं जितना हो सके उतनी असलियत इन बच्चों को बताऊं, ना कि शुगर कोट करके उनको ये बोलूं कि ये करो, मेहनत करो, फलाना करो. रादर आई लव टॉकिंग टू देम, जहाँ पे मैं पूरा सच बता के अपना एक्सपीरियंस बता दूं कि भाई मज़े करो ये, एंड अपनी एज जो भी है एज अप्रोप्रिएट काम करो. 18 के हो 18 के बन के रहो. डोंट ट्राई टू ओवर मैच्योर मत हो जाओ जल्दी, या यू नो व्हाट आई मीन. सो बच्चों की तरह रहो इज़ व्हाट आई लव. और जब भी मुझे यहाँ पे लोग बचपना दिखता है, मुझे उल्टा खुशी होती है कि ये उनकी एज है, उनकी एज बिहेव करने की नहीं है. और अंदर मुझे यही दिखा है कि मज़ा आया मतलब बच्चों को देख के, तो अच्छा लगा.
थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू सो मच. मैम, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये जो लेयर है कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है जो आप लोगों ने इनिशिएटिव आया से फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स, कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है ये फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स? इतने सारे लोग आए हैं, इतने सारे एक्सपीरियंस लोग आए हैं, जो पैनल डिस्कशन में हमने देखा बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. क्या कहना चाहिए मैम उसके बारे में?
So I think this is a part of the journey of a student, because क्या होता है क्लास में जो हम सिखाते हैं it's limited, but when it comes to actual industry exposure, only these people can give industry exposure. You know, they have their learnings, they have their journey which they came and share. And today we had a fashion panel talk, we had an interior panel talk for our fashion and interior design students. So it was a great learning for all the students. We now have our fashion show happening where our graduating students are presenting their collections. So it's a very good exposure, a platform for students. Layer M Fest is fun and learning. That's what we believe in, giving students a platform and a stage to show their skills and their talent. So NIF Borivali and NIF South Mumbai are very proud to present Layer M Fest to all of you. Thank you.
Journey of Layer M, how was it?
Yes, so with the help of our students and our team, the faculty members, we were able to pull this one full day event, you know, where our interior students are showcasing their products they've made furniture, they're presenting their portfolios and they're showing it to industry, interior designers and architects. I think that's a great exposure, and that's what we believe in at NIF Borivali and South Mumbai. And we're very thankful to each one of you who is here to witness our students' work. Thank you so
Any
much.
message you would like to convey to students?
Students, I think I would just like to say we love our students and we just want to give them opportunities and just want them to be a part of all the celebrations and all the learnings, you know, thoroughly. So that's it. Thank you so much.
I am Shakir Sheikh. I'm glad कि NIF Global Borivali and Town इन दोनों ने मिलकर ये शो प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं एंड लाइक ऑलवेज द कलेक्शन इज वेरी इंस्पायरिंग. Good to see young students presenting a lot of new concepts, a lot of new themes. They worked hard and it's definitely showing on stage. And I'm glad to be a part of this. And yes, I'm also excited to see my students, NAMG models who are trained with our institute to be making their debut. Some of them were extremely talented on this stage today. And I think this association and collaboration goes a long way with NIF Global. And we're glad we're putting up this show together.
And sir, any of your upcoming project you'd like to share with us?
Yes, I'm doing something very interesting. I'm doing something in Dubai. And next 15 days, we are doing a global media show, Emirat Luxury Show, with some of India's good top designers. And yes, we are all prepared for it and gearing up for it.
Thank you sir. Thank you so
Thank
much. जैद मोहम्मद, क्या कहना चाहेंगे आज का दिन यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट्स अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करने वाले हैं, कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है कि कॉलेज लेवल पे या फिर इंस्टीट्यूट लेवल पे उनको ये जो है शिक्षा दी जाए कि आगे पढ़ के मतलब बहुत सारी चीज़ें लाइफ में कर पाए. आप लोगों ने बहुत सारी स्ट्रगल्स देखी है लाइफ में, क्या कहना चाहेंगे उसके बारे में और कितना इंस्पायर होंगे स्टूडेंट्स आपसे?
हो जानो अच्छे से.
You know, I think education is all about interest level. और अगर आपका इंटरेस्ट फैशन में है तो obviously ये इंस्टीट्यूट बहुत ही उम्दा काम कर रहे हैं. एंड आई थिंक जो भी करियर आप चुने उसके लिए सीखें ज़रूर. मैंने अपनी एजुकेशन कंप्लीट नहीं की, बट एज स्टूडेंट लाइफ बेस्ट लाइफ होती है. तो यही कहना चाहूँगी कि या तो फिर मैं दुआ करती हूँ कि एक्चुअली सभी को अपने पसंद का एजुकेशन नसीब हो और वो अपने करियर्स में अच्छा करें.
सर, आप अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करने वाले हैं स्टूडेंट्स के साथ?
देखो, मैंने अपने घर से एक ही चीज़ सीखी है कि अपने आप से ईमानदार रहो और वही काम आता है ज़िंदगी में हमेशा. सो आई थिंक ईमानदारी सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है. सो योर इंटेंशंस आर ऑलवेज द फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी आई कीप.
और सर, इस पल को कितना एंजॉय कर रहे हैं आप लोग जो अभी फेज में है? आप लोग कितना एंजॉय कर पा रहे हैं आप लोग?
एंजॉय तो ऑब्वियसली ये मतलब एक ऊपर वाले का वरदान है, एक ब्लेसिंग है. तो हर दिन नया होता है. अभी ऑब्वियसली प्रेगनेंसी के बारे में तो मैं अपने यूट्यूब पे भी काफ़ी चीज़ें बोल रही हूँ, लेकिन इट्स अ वेरी ब्लेस्ड टाइम. हमारे लिए खुशी का वक्त है. बस दुआ करते हैं सब अच्छे से हो जाए. अभी 3 महीने बाकी हैं.
आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे इस इवेंट के बारे में?
I'm very
मिला तो यार कौन है क्या है?
So hi, I am Pavneet Singh. तो इवेंट के बारे में यही बोलूँगा कि this is my first time ever here in this event, and as we are
we're actually here to launch
Yeah,
the song
launch
for
the song.
Fauji and Pavneet and Zaid, part of that video, and he is singing and performing, he's directing, and I'm just
directed the
making
video.
a special appearance. But
Yes.
but it's a Fauji 2 ka video hai, so yeah, go ahead, please tell us.
so
Singing,
he directed the video,
Yeah.
Zaid, and it was fun shooting with him, and absolutely hope for the best. And new releases, new songs, new work is coming out very soon. And this song we are actually releasing officially on 16th of June, which is my birthday.
Oh,
सोलह को बर्थडे
Sola ka birthday, yes. So
पर बढ़िया गाना है. मतलब
yeah,
कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था जैद आपका?
बहुत ही बढ़िया था. बहुत हेक्टिक था स्टार्ट में बिकॉज मुझे 2 ही दिन दिया था सब प्रिपेयर करने के लिए. सो संदीप इज बीन माई फ्रेंड. उन्होंने बोला आप डायरेक्ट करोगे गाना मेरे लिए. बताया पवनीत का है, मतलब उसने कंपोज किया है. मैंने तो बिना सोचे समझे हाँ बोल दिया, बट सोचा भी नहीं कि पहली बार डायरेक्ट कर रहा हूँ, क्या लगेगा क्या नहीं लगेगा. बट एवरीथिंग वाज ऊपर वाला जब चाहता है आई थिंक होना चीज़ें तो हो जाती है. बट बहुत बढ़िया हुआ, मतलब everyone really supported us, even the Sandeep production team.
And
even
of
he
course,
supported.
Gawar ma'am is in the video और चार चांद लग गए हमारे। And
गाना इन दोनों का है, संदीप का ऑब्वियसली दिमाग है, जैद का पूरा विजन है। लिटरली मैं अगर कहूँ कि एक दिन में ये पूरा वीडियो दे planned it together. I don't even know मैंने जैद को कैसे he's put it together, but he's performed very well, and of course जैद भी sing कर रहे हैं उसमें, and I'm just doing my bit to the video.
कन्विंस किसने किया जैद को डायरेक्शन करने का?
उनको जब संदीप सिंह बोलते हैं तो ज्यादा कन्विंसिंग की जरूरत नहीं होती है, वो दोनों अपना दिमाग लगा के कर लेते हैं।
हम दोनों अच्छे दोस्त भी हैं।
But it's a whole team together. Everyone's done a brilliant job. गाना बहुत अच्छा है, टी सीरीज का म्यूजिक है, तो
और जब फौजी सुनते हैं ना, फौजी, तो हमें गाना वैसा ही साउंड करता है कि ऐसा होगा, गन होगी या टेंशन होगा, ये होगा, बट मैंने बहुत अलग फील दिया है, मतलब गाने को थोड़ा आई वुडंट से जेंजी फील, बट आई फील अ वेरी डिफरेंट फील टू इट विद कमर्शियल। देखोगे आप देखने वाले हो कि नहीं आज?
Yes.
बढ़िया मजा आएगा आपको भी देखना।
अभी स्क्रीन करेंगे, बट रिलीज 16th को
अभी आ रहे हैं हम
आज। थैंक यू सो
Okay, thank you.
मच।
Thank you.